sabi ko kanina, ito ang trabaho natin na tutulungan natin mga tao pa isa-isa. Pero para magkaroon ka ng negosyo, kailangan marami kang pera na pumasok din sa iyo. So ang business concept ganito. Ang business natin is not about selling insurance. It's not about people making investments. But it's about helping other people with good, sensible advice about their financial security. Ang advice ang pinakailangan natin ibigay. No? Tapos, kung ang mga prospect natin nagustuhan yung advice mo, then that is the time that they will decide, bibili ako ng insurance. That is the time they will decide that they will invest money. Okay? So, helping people, yun ang una muna ng gagawin natin sa negosyo. Huwag muna tayong mag-isip na marami akong bebentahan dapat. Isipin mo, marami akong matutulungan. Kasi pag marami kang matutulungan, malamang na marami kang mabebentahan. Okay? Pag marami nang bebentahan, ma-accomplish mo yung mission mo. Pag na-accomplish mo yung mission mo, kasunod na dyan, papasok sa iyo ang income mo. Okay? Now, ito ngayon ang maganda. Sa dami ng tao sa mundo, dito lang sa atin sa Pilipinas, 113 million na tao tayo ngayon. 113 million. Hindi isang katerba yung pwede mo matutulungan. Okay? The more you do, the more you earn. Ito ang prinsipyo ng negosyo. So that you can do more and earn more. Mas marami kang matutulungan so that mas malaki ang iyong income. A very nice man. He goes around, he talks to all of us. Okay? What are your rewards when you're a financial advisor? Ito ngayon tingnan natin. Kasi ito interesting. Now, number one dyan, Number one is the compensation. Our compensation is probably the most generous in the industry in the Philippines. So, kasi yun talaga pinagtututukan yan ng management para maganda ang compensation. Pangalawa, dalawang sources ng income mo. May income ka na galing sa sarili mo activities. May income ka na galing sa mga activities ng mga taong ikaw ang nagdala into Manulife. Okay? Passive ang tawag doon. We have the highest commission rates sa mga produktong na ibenta na kinukuha ng iyong mga kliyente. We also have monthly productivity bonus. No, karamihan na company, ilang bonus ba nakukuha nila? Ilang buwan bang bonus na nakukuha? Dito. 1 month. 1 month bonus, karamihan na company. 1 month bonus per year. Dito sa Manulife, pwedeng bawat buwan may bonus ka. Depende sa iyong sipag at performance. Pangatlo, dahil ang sadya natin dito is to provide solutions for our clients, Manulife gives us all the means to be able to do that. So we can use the different financial products of Manulife to solve whatever problem ang kliyente meron. So may pag-asa kang masosolve ang problema ng bawat kliyente mong kakilala. We have recruiting overrides galing doon sa mga na-recruit mo, sabi ko na nga kanina, no? Plus, if you are already a leader in the business, a manager like me, you have business development expense support. Okay? Meron ka extra na nakukuha sa Manulife para pang suporta sa paglago ng business mo. Okay? And when you teach your other people to become MDRT, ang MDRT ay yung mga financial advisors na kumikita ng 1 million a year mahigit. Okay? 1 million a year. So ang trabaho nila para makakuha sila ng incentive as a mentor incentive, tinuturuan nila ang iba paano makaabot sa 1 million na income. Okay? Ganon. Ano pa ang additional na benefits makukuha mo? You will have group life and accident insurance. You will have provident or retirement fund with company contribution. Okay? Ang company ay nagbibigay pero nagbibigay ka rin tatapatan o mahigit pa ang bibigay ng Manulife sa iyo para sa retirement mo if you are very active. Okay? Health insurance para hindi ka na magastusan, no, sa mga ordinaryong mga pag-hospital mo, magkonsulta ka sa doktor, wala na yan. Disability income benefit. Pag na-disable ka, you will get half of what you used to earn from Manulife. Parang ano mo, parang benefit mo yan when you're disabled. Sa mga babae, merong maternity incentives. At kung may namatayan ka, you will get the bereavement assistance. And may available para tumulong sa iyo, you have car and computer loans kasi baka gusto mong marami kang mapupunta, no? Gusto mong upgrade ng devices mo para mas malago ang negosyo mo. Pwede yan, meron dyan. What else? Itong exciting, no? Yung sabi ka kanina, yung monthly production bonuses up to 50% of your sales commissions. Can you imagine? Up to 50%, kalahati ng commission mo, bonus mo, pwede mo i-bonus. Pwede mangyari yon. You have quarterly incentives for leaders. You have travel conferences, libre. Ang company will pay for your travel. To Japan, Hong Kong, China, Dubai, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, even the US, kasama yun, depending on your performance. Other than that, may pang-encourage sa'yo, may contests and awards, tapos maraming gift certificates na pwede mong panalunin. Okay? Maliban doon, common yung breakfast, lunches, and dinners. Ngayon, tapos ng lockdown, we're doing a lot more of that, yung breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And we don't eat sa mga ordinaryong lugar. Hotel yan. First class na hotel. Ikaw ba nakakain ka na ba sa first class na hotel? Hindi pa. Gusto mo makatikim. Baka malula ka. Baka malula ka. Dessert pa lang, isang buong aparador ang sari-saring putahe ang pwedeng nandun. Okay? Importante dito, para sa talagang they stay, kasi nga sabi natin, long game. If you stay 20 years and become an agency leader like me, you will have the privilege of letting your children inherit your entire business, your entire team. So simulan mo, patuloy ng mga anak mo, retired ka na, patuloy pa rin ang pinagsimulan mo para hindi masayang. Okay? Heirs must qualify and validate for their next lower rank on own merits, and upline and downline ALs or agency leaders and your own advisors must agree. Yun lang naman. And when you're doing a good job, that should be no problem. Okay? Company support. So ito, papasok ka ngayon, sarili mong negosyo, but do you have to do everything? Anong klaseng support ang bibigay sa iyo ng company? Tingnan natin. So unang-una dyan, you have support for your marketing and sales campaigns. You have marketing support. You have support for the development of whatever it is that you're able to offer to your clients. You have support when you recruit other people into our business. You have support when you make your recruits productive. At para ikaw magiging productive din, meron ka support na doon. You have plenty of support sa training, sa sales management, sa agency accounting, and for events. Maraming support yan. Mahirap mong gawin if you are in business tapos ikaw pa rin gumagawa niyan. In Manulife, we are just business partners. So we take care of our own business. Pero to be able to take care of the business, marami ng support ang bigay ang Manulife dyan. As far as the sales management team is concerned, it's headed by Salish, he's also Indiano. Then si Jeff Salazar and RC Chua. Ito yung mga tumutulong sa atin. Whatever we need, we talk with them, we discuss with them, and they will help to put the support together para sa atin. Tayo naman, we are the agency. So wala tayong boss. Each one of us is a boss. But we have leaders. Ang leaders, they guide. So ang role ng ang mga chiefs na nag-guide sa ating team dito, ang head niyan is si Dailin. She's the region head of Mighty Skywalkers. Under her are me and Fortune. Dalawa kami dyan, where we guide our people, our financial advisors into the business and teach them. Ako, ang trabaho ko, I don't add anymore to my clients. Kasi ang tuto ko is magtuturo ng mga advisors how to do the business well. Yun ang responsibility ko. That is my job. So, it is based on my own experience. Kasi for you to grow in this business, the most important thing is that ginagawa mo ang ginagawa ng buong team na kasama ko. Okay? Sipin natin yan ha. Ginagawa mo kung ano ang ginagawa ng buong team ko. Gaya-gaya lang. Walang bago, wala ka nang kailangan masyadong invento, pero pwede mong ipapabuti pa para sa sarili mo. Team culture is what will make you succeed in this business.